So cupcake boards are really popular at the moment, and I'm making one here for a silver wedding anniversary. I've used our heart garland set, and you get 3 different sizes in the pack, and I've embossed the board with the smallest of the 3 that you get in the pack. I've also embossed in between with a 2 and a 5, and that's from the Easy Twist numbers. And then the celebration lettering, I'm using the wedding anniversary set just to emboss congratulations on your silver wedding in the centre of the board. I'll just remove these so you can see what the finished board looks like. So for the cupcakes, I'm going to use a piece of sugar paste. Just roll that out. And then I'm using the larger of the 3 embossing, heart embossing, and then cut over. Now I'm using, I'm cheating actually, I'm using a plastic cupcake, but you can use obviously your real cupcakes. And just pop that on and then emboss around the outside edge. And then I'm using white satin and a very large brush just to give a nice shine, and that's ready for painting. So I'm using silver dust colour, and I'm going to mix it with isopropyl alcohol to paint the hearts. If you've got a silver paint or anything else that you prefer to use, then that's fine. I just like to paint with the dust colour. So put some isopropyl alcohol in the lid, and I use the lid so that when the alcohol evaporates away, it goes back to a dust. Pop your lid on so you're not wasting any colour. I'm just going to turn that round that way because that's nearest to me. And then literally paint in the hearts. Now get the colour right into the embossed line so you get a nice definite shape. And if you need to give a second coat, the alcohol dries really quickly, so you can soon paint a second coat on top. So the board can be left plain, or you can paint to match the cupcake. So I've painted round here. I'll just finish the last one. So a little bit of alcohol. And just paint in the little hearts. And it could be left at that stage, or you can go on to paint the silver 25s. So I'll do that next. I'll just move the pink out the way. It really depends how much colour you want to add to the board. So always hold your brush upright and just bring it round. If it feels that it's a little thin, the colour, then just add a little more dust to it. And then continue around the board.